The function of the skull is to house and protect the brain and also forms facial features. The radius, one of the larger bones of the forearm, is used as the primary junction with the carpal bones of the hand at the wrist joint. Together, both the ulna and radius enables the wrist joint to rotate. The ulna next to the radius in the forearm enables the wrist joint to rotate. Tarsals are located near the ankle joint and function as a strong weight-bearing platform. Metatarsals are located near the forefoot between tarsals and phalanges, and it connects the phalanges to the tarsals. The scapula is located at the shoulder. The main function is to attach the upper arm to the thorax or the trunk of the body. This allows for stabilization to occur in the arm and arm movement at the shoulder. The cervical vertebrae is the first 7 bones located in the spine that are labeled C1 through C7. The first 2, C1 and C2, are called the axis and the atlas. The function is to give the neck structure, support the skull, and protect the spinal cord. The thoracic vertebrae is located mid-back between the cervical and lumbar vertebrae. The main function is to hold the rib cage and protect the heart and lungs. The 12th thoracic vertebrae is numbered T1 through T12. The pelvic girdle, also known as the pelvis, connects the trunk and contains and supports the intestines, the urinary bladder, and internal sex organs. The caudal vertebrae is also known as the tailbone. The number of bones varies from species to species. For instance, in rabbits there are 15 caudal vertebrae, while in humans these vertebrae are fused together to form the coccyx. The clavicle are large, doubly curved, long bones that connect the arm to the trunk of the body. Ribs protect your heart and lungs. The femur is a long bone in the upper leg that supports the weight of the body and allows motion of the leg. The sternum, also known as the breastbone, is a protection of the heart, lungs, and blood vessels from physical damage. The humerus is the long bone in the upper arm that connects the ulna to the body. Ligaments are used to connect bone to bone. The skeletal system performs vital functions like support, movement, protection, blood cell production, calcium storage, and endocrine regulation that enables us to survive. Some organs in the skeletal system are bones, tissues, cartilage, and ligaments. The skeletal system interacts with the muscular system, since muscles are connected to bones. It also interacts with the circulatory system, since bone marrow makes red and white blood cells. Another system is the nervous system. The skeletal system protects the nervous system and also aids in movement when neurons send nerve impulses to the muscles. One disorder of the skeletal system is osteomalacia, which is the softening of the bones, which is caused by a deficiency of vitamin D or calcium. Another disease is osteoporosis, in which the bones become fragile and are prone to fractures. And lastly, leukemia, which is a cancer of white blood cells.